Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Trish Daniel T. Lopez at ang iuulat ko po ngayon ay tungkol sa Global Positioning System o mas kilala bilang GPS. So bago po tayo dumako sa definition and mga key components ng GPS, tumingin po muna tayo sa isang situation. Today, I'm supposed to be hanging out with my friends but I'm lost and I don't know how to use a regular compass. What should I use? So, ang compass naman po ay hindi naman po talaga siya pang track kung nasan ka. Parang ayun lang po yung parang nagsisilbing guide para sa mga direction na pupuntahan po natin. Meron po tayong traditional na maps and compass na common po sa atin kapag naririnig po natin ang directions. Pero wala pa pong exactly na resources na matatrack talaga kung nasan ka at that time. Kaya naimbento po ang GPS. Dumako naman po tayo sa ating lesson outline. We have definition of GPS, history of GPS, how it works, and then example. So, ano nga po ba ang GPS? GPS or Global Positioning System is a satellite-based navigation system that allows individuals to determine their exact location on the Earth and places around it, regardless of the weather condition. So, dahil isa po itong satellite, maaari pong makonclude po natin na baka hindi po ito mag-work kapag malakas po yung, kunyari, bagyo or mga ulan. Pero kahit ganun po ang condition ng weather, hindi po nito naapektuhan ng performance ng GPS dahil nasa up in the space po talaga ito, hindi po siya sa simpleng atmosphere lamang. So, kung nagtatanong po kayo kung paano nalalaman ng GPS kung nasan po tayo, up in the sky po meron tayong mga satellites na ang nag-run po ay ang US government or ang nag-develop ng GPS. So, doon po, meron pong at least 4 na satellite na natatrack kung nasan ka at ma-determine niya ang exact location mo at sasabihin niya yon kung alin man ang device na iyong ginamit. Ayan po, so GPS is used in cars, smartphones, and watches. So, ang GPS po, maaari po natin ma-access siya sa the following, pero po sa cars, particularly sa mga automatic cars po, at yung mga advanced na talaga. And sa watches naman, yung mga smartwatches. And I believe sa smartphones po, parang most phones na ngayon is meron ng GPS. Ayan. Global Positioning System works globally, making it widely used for navigation, mapping, and location-based services. GPS uses a network of satellites that communicates with GPS receivers to determine their exact location, latitude, longitude, and altitude, by triangulating signals from at least 4 satellites. So, ayun nga po katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, para ma-determine po ng satellites kung nasan po tayo, kailangan po ng at least 4 satellites para matrack po tayo. So, sinabi po dito na GPS uses a network of satellites that communicate with GPS receivers. Ang ginagamit niya po ay network po ng satellites. Para sa atin po, hindi naman po necessary na kailangan po natin ng Wi-Fi or data po para maka-access lang po ng GPS dahil meron naman po talagang GPS sa mga devices po. At ang magiging epekto lang ng pagkawala natin ng Wi-Fi or data is yung process po, like yung kung mabagal or kung mabilis natin makukuha yung information or yung pagtatrack kung nasan tayo. And so dumako naman po tayo sa 3 segments po ng GPS. Una po is space segment. This consists of the 24 plus satellites that orbit the Earth at a high altitude, continuously transmitting signals. The next one is control segment, ground-based stations that monitor and control the satellite's orbit and health. And the last one is user segment, GPS receivers in devices like smartphones, cars, planes that collect signals from the satellites to determine their position. Dahil tapos na po natin i-define ang GPS, dumako naman po tayo sa history nito. So, GPS is originally called Navstar. During the 1960s, the US Department of Defense initiated the development of GPS for military navigation purposes. The original idea was to create a global system that allows military units to accurately determine their location anywhere in the world. So, pinayagan po ito or in-implement po na pwede na po gumamit ang public during the 1980s na po. Ang mga considered po na nag-invent po ng GPS ay sina Roger L. Easton ng Naval Research Laboratory, Ivan A. Getting of the Aerospace Corporation, and Bradford Parkinson of the Applied Physics Laboratory. Ang next naman po ay how does GPS works? Each satellite broadcasts radio signals with their location and time. GPS receivers receives radio signals and use these data to calculate its distance from at least 4 satellites. So, ang formula po nito ay distance is equals to speed times time. GPS radio signals travel at the speed of light. And then, the receiver uses trilateration method to define its exact location on Earth. So, ito po ang trilateration process. So, nakalagay po dito, meron po tayong 4 na picture po. And then po yung mga circles, ang nire-represent niya po ay ang scope po nung satellite na yon. So, sa unang satellite po, hindi mo pa po madedetermine yung exact na location dahil isa lang po siya. And then po, as gradually they build up the scope po ng mga satellites, particularly 4 po, madidistinguish mo na po or madedetermine mo na kung nasan yung exact pinpoint po ng tao na yon or mga location na pinpoint mo. Papakita ko po ang isang example para i-explain po kung ano po ang nangyayari po sa trilateration process.
Space place. In a snap. But how exactly does the phone know where you are? Something called a Global Positioning System, or GPS, tells you that's how. When your phone tells you where you are, it may actually be listening to signals from satellites high up in space. There are over 30 satellites used for GPS, orbiting over 16,000 miles above the Earth. Your phone just needs to figure out how far away you are from some of them. If your phone knows how far away it is from 4 satellites, then there is only one place on Earth you can be. Your phone, or any device with a GPS, is programmed to know where all the satellites are at any given time. The phone uses that information, along with the amount of time the signal took to reach it, to figure out how far away the satellites are. By doing that, it computes its location, and all of that happens in an instant. Good thing, too. You're only getting hungrier. Presented by NASA's Space Place.
Ayan lamang po para sa aking report. Thank you and mabuhay.